In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to go live on your Kick account using Streamlabs. So first of all, you have to download and install the Streamlabs desktop app and then launch your Streamlabs. And in here, click on Settings. In Settings, select Stream. And under Destination, here you'll find Kick account. So make sure you have connected your Kick account with Streamlabs. So just click on Connect next to Kick, and it will jump into your browser. And as you can see, we can see the Kick here. So clicking on Merge and click on Allow Access. And that's how you'll be able to connect your Kick account with Streamlabs. Once done, click on Done. Now, in your Streamlabs sources, go ahead, add your audio and video sources you want to stream on your Kick account. Once you successfully added all sources, here you get Go Live option. Just click on that. And in here, we have to turn on Kick account. So turn on Kick account, and you can add here your stream title. You can add here a category for your stream, just like this. And now just click on Confirm and Go Live. And in just a few seconds, your Streamlabs live stream will be connected to your Kick. And then once live started, I'm going to my Kick account and going to my channel, Creative Dashboard, and selecting Stream. And here you can see my live stream successfully started on my Kick from Streamlabs. And to end your live stream, you have to open the Streamlabs and just click on End Stream to end your live streaming. So that's how you can actually go live on our Kick from Streamlabs.